Hello students. In previous part we have studied about the water pollution and we start then soil pollution. Soil pollution which is the undesired physically, chemically and biological change in soil nature that is called soil pollution. The soil pollution may cause due to the some solid waste as well as liquid waste, and solid waste which cause the soil pollution that may arises. The sources of solid waste is maybe hospitals and municipal waste, electronic waste and industries. These solid waste material which when they mix with the soil and may cause soil pollution. Now in this part we will study about the causes of soil pollution and what is the case of remedy this type of soil pollution. So soil pollution, as we have already studied, it is the undesired physical, chemical and biological change in soil nature that is called soil pollution, which that is also called landscape pollution. The soil pollution is occurred due to the mixing of solid, liquid waste. In this part we will study about the solid waste. Solid wastes. These are the discarded or left over the solid material these are the discarded or left over the solid materials on the soil which are produced by the human activity in the soil, which produced due to the human activity. The sources of solid waste are industrial, hospitals, municipal, or electronic waste. First we will study about the municipal solid waste. Municipal solid waste. These are the waste material which produced in ऑफिस में प्रोड्यूस होता है, स्कूल्स में हो सकता है, हॉस्पिटल्स में हो सकता है, एज वेल एज होम, डोमेस्टिक, schools or hospitals. जो सॉलिड वेस्ट सब्सटेंस होते हैं वो म्यूनिसिपल सॉलिड वेस्ट में बी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द ऑफिसेस, स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, हॉस्पिटल्स एंड डोमेस्टिक वेस्ट. दे मे बी पेपर, फूड मटेरियल, plastic, glass and kitchen waste. It means In this municipal solid waste, there are three types of wastes may be produced: biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and some substances just like as a metallic, they may be recycled. The municipal waste when induced into the ड्रेनेज या ड्रेन्स, नालियों में यदि इस प्रकार का म्यूनिसिपल वेस्ट इंड्यूस हो जाता है, दैट में चौक द ड्रेन, दे में check the flush of the drains, which is also a cause of penetrating the microorganism, just as बैक्टीरिया और इंसेक्ट। यानी चौक हो जाएंगी नालियां तो उसमें क्या हुआ है, बैक्टीरिया इंसेक्ट द्वारा प्रोड्यूस हुए जो विच में आल्सो काज डिजीज, जो डिजीज का कारण हो सकते हैं। इसलिए इस म्यूनिसिपल वेस्ट के अंदर हमें जो सब्सटेंस रिलीज करने हैं, चाहे वो डोमेस्टिक है चाहे ऑफिशियल हैं, स्कूल या कॉलेज से, वी शुड सेपरेट फ्रॉम ईच अदर, जस्ट लाइक एज द बायोडिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंसेस आर यूज्ड to making the compost, non-biodegradable substances by the burning system, and some metallics or plastic substances are used by the recycling. Therefore, before releasing these वेस्ट, कौन से, सॉलिड वेस्ट फ्रॉम द सोर्स, इसलिए हमें इन सोर्सों से, सोर्स कौन से, चाहे वो हॉस्पिटल है, चाहे डोमेस्टिक है, चाहे वो इंडस्ट्रीज है, इन सभी चीजों सोर्स से छोड़ने से बोले हमें इन चीजों सॉलिड वेस्ट को सेपरेट, सोर्स वी मस्ट बी separated the solid waste. There are three types of solid waste. Number one, biodegradable. Number two, recycling और रिकवरी कर सकते हैं और रिकवर, एंड नंबर थर्ड, नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल। बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट, the biodegradable waste by putting them into a pit and convert into compost. We can use the biodegradable substances by the making of compost. This compost, natural compost, is very useful for the soil rather than the chemical compost. And the recycle or recovering some metallic or plastic waste are collected by the rag pickers, और आप कह सकते हैं कबाड़ी वाला, and sell into the factory. In factory, these metallic or plastic waste are remolded. रिमोल्ड मतलब उसका दोबारा कोई अदर सब्सटेंस बनाकर उसका यूटिलाइजेशन करके रहता है. तो दिस इज द रिसाइकलिंग और रिकवरी. The third one is non-biodegradable. Some solid waste which are non-biodegradable are decreased by the municipal with the help of burning process. Non-biodegradable. Solid waste. और लैंडफिलिंग भी कर सकते हैं. द नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल solid waste are reduced by the municipal committee by burning process or landfilling. There are two types of burning process. अब बर्निंग प्रोसेस यानी जो सॉलिड वेस्ट नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल को बर्न करके उसको डिकम्पोज किया जा सकता है, उसको रिड्यूस किया जा सकता है. बर्निंग प्रोसेस एक तो होता है ओपन चैम्बर, जो एरोबिक चैम्बर होता है जहां टेम्परेचर 850 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 1000 डिग्री सेल्सियस के आसपास में बर्न किया जाता है. इस प्रकार की प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं इंसिनरेशन. एक होता है क्लोज चैम्बर जो एनारोबिक होता है, वहां टेम्परेचर 1650 डिग्री सेल्सियस यानी 1650 डिग्री टेम्परेचर पे इसको बर्न किया जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं पायरोलाइसिस. There the burning process is mainly two types. Number one, incineration. What is incineration? The burning of non-biodegradable substances or waste substances in presence of air in a chamber where the temperature reaches to 850 to 1000 degrees Celsius. That process is known as incineration. It is the burning process of waste substances in an aerobic chamber. In an aerobic chamber where the temperature reaches to 850 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. In presence of oxygen में chamber में इसको burn करना, that is called incineration. And the second one is pyrolysis. It is the burning process of the waste substances in anaerobic chamber, yani where the oxygen is not present. In anaerobic chamber at 1650 degrees Celsius. This process is known as pyrolysis. Burning process, we can remove, we can reduce the waste substances. And the second one is landfilling, where the land surface area is not level, same plane. Then we use the lower, deeper surface area with the filling of the waste material, that is called landfilling. This is the municipal waste. And the next one is hospital wastes. Hospital waste. Hospital solid waste. There are many harmful solid waste arises या produced from hospitals, such as gloves, रबड़ के ग्लव्स होते हैं, मास्क है, नीडल और syringe. These are very hazardous, harmful for the human body if we expose these solid substances into the air, into the soil directly. Thus, these type of solid waste which are produced by the hospital, we should be incineration, means they should be burned in presence of oxygen at 850 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. We can remedy, we can reduce the hospital waste by this incineration process. And third one is इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट, इसको ई वेस्ट भी बोलते हैं, ई वेस्ट और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट. The substances with the solid waste which are produced by the electronic gadgets, just like as computer, mobile and other electronic items. The waste which are produced from the electronic gadgets मतलब जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लायंसेस हो सकते हैं, जस्ट लाइक एज computers, computer chips, mobile and other electronic items. Many developing countries just like as India, China and Pakistan, which are use this electronic waste to extraction of metal from the electronic waste. अब इंडिया, चाइना, पाकिस्तान जो तीन डेवलपिंग कंट्री हैं, ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेस से मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्ट करती हैं, बट द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सट्रैक्शन इज नॉट सूटेबल जस्ट लाइक एज डेवलप्ड कंट्री. जो डेवलप्ड कंट्री है उसमें एक्सट्रैक्शन, मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्शन करने की जो प्रोसेस है, दैट शुड बी वेरी एफिशिएंटली rather than India, China and Pakistan. These waste substances which are produced by the electronic items are known as electronic solid waste. They are very harmful for the human body if they expose into the soil, and as well as they may cause the soil pollution. Clear? These electronic waste are also reduced from the soil by the incineration process. Clear?